Hi guys, Richie here from Promt Parts. Today we're going to be talking about something crucial on your outboards performance, power trim and torque fluid. We stock a wide range of options at Promt Parts, including Johnson & Evinrude XPS Marine Trim and Torque Fluid for most Johnson & Evinrude motors, Johnson & Evinrude G2 Power Trim and Torque Fluid for G2 E-Techs, Mercury Synthetic Power Trim and Torque Fluid and Steering Fluid, and Sierra Power Trim and Torque Fluid. Topping up your trim and torque fluid is simple, but it's a crucial maintenance task that often gets overlooked. Running low on fluid can lead to improper trimming and, over time, internal corrosion in your system. This can damage the ram, cylinder and internal pressure relief valves. Costly issues no boater wants. Your trim motor should operate with a smooth, consistent sound when trimming up and down. If you hear shuddering or cavitation noise, it could mean your fluid is low, there's air in the system, or both. Today I'll walk you through the process on how to bleed a trim and torque unit on an Evinrude outboard. This process is similar for most manufacturers. Here's what you need: clean rag, power trim and torque fluid, a syringe and hose for filling or an oil lube tank, flathead screwdriver, and safety eyewear. Always protect your eyes. Step 1, lower the outboard as far as it'll go. The gearbox is removed on this engine. Sometimes you might have to lower the jockey wheel to allow more room for the engine to trim down fully. Once the engine's fully lowered, raise the outboard as far as you can go. Be mindful of ski poles, bait boards or the splash valve on the transom. Step 3, clean around the trim and torque filling port. No one wants dirt in their system. It's normal for the system to be pressurized and a little bit of fluid to come out. If fluid runs out, you're good, no need to add any more. If the reservoir is empty, top it up, use your syringe, hose or oil lube bottle to top up the oil. Quick tip while filling the system: inspect the trim ram seals and the torque ram seals for any signs of leaking or damage. If you spot one, it's time to book a service with your trusted provider. This unit's due for an overhaul. It's got some pitting on the shaft and also the wiper seal is all cracked and split and broken. Once your reservoir cat's back on, we want to recycle the trim and torque unit up and down 2 more times. This is just cycling any air through the system and it'll get it all the way into the reservoir for us to bleed out. In a very aerated system, in some instances the engine won't trim down after going all the way up. Get someone or yourself to apply some pressure on the engine to help it trim down, and that'll help flush through the air out of the system. So let that trim all the way back up again and we'll let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat this process until the trim and torque motor operates smoothly, you can't hear any air in the system, and you hear no abnormal noises. Once you're done, ensure the cap is secure, give it a quick tighten with a screwdriver, and you're all set to go. Ready to stock up? Visit promptparts.co.nz, navigate to oil, lube and engine care and find trim and torque fluid. For all your marine parts trusted by the professionals, from prop to helm and everything in between, visit promptparts.co.nz.